Kearney Lions District 26 M4 Outstanding Senior Male and Female. Congratulations to Maya Tyner and Evan Miles.
National Merit Scholar Commended recognizes Abigail Jensen.
Missouri 100 Scholar. Congratulations to Evan Miles.
Kearney Rotary Scholarship. Congratulations to Alex Springer and Kyla Warman.
Kearney KEA Scholarship. Congratulations to Brendan Elam, Sophia Martin, and Delaney Stout.
Kearney Chamber of Commerce Scholarship. Congratulations to Peyton Morrison and Kyla Warman.
KADC John Bennett Memorial Scholarship. Congratulations to Alex Springer and Cameron Smith.
Pence McCoy Scholarship. Congratulations to Chloe Bordenero.
The SARJTT Scholarship. Congratulations to Abby Couch.
Kearney MSTA Scholarship. Congratulations to Mackenzie Kelly and Delaney Stout.
Brandon Jakes Memorial Scholarship. Congratulations to Chloe Bordenero and Abby Couch.
The Shelter Insurance Scholarship, Sherry Gillespie Agency. Congratulations to Mikkel Hampton.
Woodrow Long Memorial Scholarship. Congratulations to Becca Frazier and Lexi Cooch.
Ashton Hyatt Memorial Scholarship. Congratulations to Sophia Martin.
Kearney Holt Optimist Club Scholarship. Congratulations to Connor Anderson and Delaney Stout.
Grand Masonic Lodge of Missouri A-Team Masonic Merit Scholarship. Congratulations to Alex Springer.
Shelter Insurance Scholarship, Bree Schweitzer Agency. Congratulations to Abby Couch.
Jack Walters Memorial Scholarship. Congratulations to Cassie O'Connell.
Kearney Masonic Lodge, number 311, Wayne Dugan Memorial Scholarship. Congratulations to Chloe Bordenero.
Kearney High School PTO Scholarship. Congratulations to Brendan Elam, Becca Frazier, and Isaac Jensen.
Kearney School District Education Foundation Scholarship. Congratulations to Abby Couch, Allison Darling, Alex Springer, and Kyla Warman.
Kearney Youth Football Scholarship. Congratulations to Corbin Bevan.
Grand Masonic Lodge of Missouri, Samuel Smith Stewart Scholarship. Congratulations to Bailey Hickson.
PEO Chapter MY Scholarship. Congratulations to Allison Darling.
Chris Miracle Memorial Scholarship. Congratulations to Donovan Luft.
Norman J. Herndon Memorial Scholarship. Congratulations to Madeline Taylor and Delaney Stout.
Bill Skillman Memorial Scholarship. Congratulations to Abby Couch and Colby Abersold.
KC Scholars Scholarship. Congratulations to Chloe Bordenero, Cameron Smith, Alyssa Gallinger, Lauren Sutton, and Aubriana Probst.
Robert Pence Memorial Scholarship. Congratulations to Quinn Weekly and Jacob Stevens.
This concludes our virtual Senior Academic Awards evening. This evening is just another milestone. It tells how far you've come. Keep learning, keep trying, keep accomplishing, and keep venturing through your journey. Congratulations.